guys, today we're going to be making a infinity bracelet. So this is how it looks like. To start off, we're going to take a black and we're going to put it here, right here, like this. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to take a black and keep going all the way here until you reach this dot. So I got like these rubbers from Rainbow Loom. Okay, now you're gonna do right here. You take this and put it to the top here, like this. We're not gonna use these because then it's just not gonna look like a diamond. Now we're going to do the same thing from the other side, but we have to start from the bottom, not from the top. So from the bottom to the top. Now you're going to take a black and finally connect it. So now it should look like a very stretchy diamond. Okay, now you're going to take your pink and put it not here, but you're going to put it above that. You're going to do it like this and then twist it. It should look like the infinity sign. That's why it's called the infinity bracelet. Now you're going to take your next color and do the same thing on top of it, like this. Now you're going to take your orange and then yellow, and then you just keep going. Maybe you should start off with the same color as me if this is your first time making it. But if you feel like you're good and you know what to do, then you just can do a different color than me. But if you're a first timer, I think you should follow me. And there you have it. Now you're gonna take a black and you're gonna take it 2 fingers like this, twist it, and then you're gonna take this and put it onto your fingers, just like this. Now you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it on this side, so it should be like this, just like that. Now you're gonna take your hook and you're gonna go under this, and you're gonna go and take the first black, not below it, but the first one. So it should look like this. Now you're gonna go under the black and go take the black. So same thing, go under the orange and take the black. Go under the pink and take the black. You're gonna do that all the way until you reach here. Here I'll tell you what to do. So you're gonna take, if you still don't know how to do it, you're gonna go like, take the blue away and then take the black and put it onto the next one, just like that. Last one. So here it's really the same thing, but you don't have to go under anything. You just go in, take the black and to put it right in the middle like this. Now you're gonna do the same thing from the bottom. You take the black and put it onto the next one, all the way to here. Now you're gonna do the same thing from here to, you're gonna do the same thing that you did on this side. So now you're gonna do the same thing that you did on this side. You're gonna grab them. You don't have to go under anything. You just grab it, grab the black and put it onto the middle. So now you're gonna take a pink rubber. You're going to go like right here. You're gonna go under everything. You're not gonna grab anything. You're just gonna go under it like this. And now you're gonna hook the pink on it, right like this. You're gonna take the pink up, and on this side you're gonna take it up like this. Now you're gonna grab a C clip or S clip. It doesn't really matter. And you're gonna hook it on. Now you can let go. For me, it's easier to just pull it off, but if it's easier with you for the hook, then do it. It doesn't matter. So now you just pull it off. So now and there you have it. But as you can see on this model, it has this. And it also can't fit your hand. So now we're gonna make a connector. You can grab any color you want. I'm gonna choose pink. So you're gonna face it this way. You're gonna face it this way from the hook. And now you're gonna grab it. You can do like about 7 or 6. So you remember the part where we did the doubles? So not this side, not with the hook. We're gonna grab this side and we're gonna stretch it and put it at the end. So you should have like about 7 pinks and 1 black, like this. Now you're gonna grab your hook again, and not from this side, you're gonna take from the under the black, and you see that pink? That's where you're gonna grab it. You're gonna do the same thing that you did with the under the pink and take the black, just like this. It should kind of look like a cone. Like this. You're gonna take it off, but not all the way. Just about leaving 3 left. Now you're gonna take your clip and hook it onto this side, like this. And there you have it. Now you have an infinity bracelet. Thanks for watching.